Hello guys, welcome to this weekly recap with me, Kevin, your golden option Forex mentor. So for the past week of trading, from Sunday, November 10th till Friday the 15th, we had four opportunities um, in the Forex market. So starting off with GBPJPY on 60 minutes, 1 hour time frame. Um, really key level right here is this supply and demand zone in yellow. So around the round number 140. Really key. You can see that every single time it was retested as a support and resistance really precisely, and with uh, taking in consideration that support and resistance, it's not only like a precise number as 140. Once again, just for the recap, a reminder for you traders out there to look at support and resistance as a zone rather than just a precise number. So every single time it was retested in here. So what, in regards of our current trade, with like the trade that happened, I should say. So you have right here the breaking point, and we had about 2-3 confluences right here to enter the trade, and unfortunately we got stopped out, but still, it's part of the game, it's part of the plan, and what happened in here is that when price was below this key supply and demand, we waited for this big impulsive move. So this big engulfing candle might be institutions in here, and at the same time that it came all the way up in here, it broke this key resistance trend line. So connecting this high and this high. If we would had the rejection right here, maybe we would have seen like price go lower. But in this case, as you can see, the candle, it closed above, and then it retested with this this bearish candle, and then price elevated further with this bullish engulfing one right here. So it's a break, retest, and go that we had in here. So, and also this trend line that it's actually from way back, so it can be seen in a longer time frame, so H4 and even daily. So it acted many times as a resistance right here, as you can see. So many right here again as a zone. So resistance right here with rejection, resistance, resistance, rejection, resistance, resistance. Right here once again, and in here it was broken once again at the same time as this trend line. So after the breakout retest, we took our entry at 140.40. So right here you can see that price just spent a little time on the positive zone, then came in the negative, came to retest once again this key, very key strong supply and demand zone, came to break even a bit in the negative, came 10 pips at 140.50, then in the negative, a break even once again, rejection right here, and then started doing further lower lows and lower highs. So we got stopped out at minus 90 pips a couple of hours after. So about doesn't work once again. Okay, right here. Yeah, no, about 2 days, not a couple of hours, about 2 days after. So on EURUSD, what happened? Really clean and easy trade that it's currently running. So today is the Sunday, November 11th, 30th in the night. So it's Eastern time, Canada time. So you can see this like for the chart, this key level trend line right here acting as a resistance, resistance, resistance right here, resistance, breakout, and support right here, and also this this channel right here. So the bottom, the middle, and the top right here. So we had a pullback after after this level. This trend line right here was broken on the upside. You saw like for a couple of weeks price above, and then we had the retest of this trend line plus the second touch of this channel, and taking in consideration this supply and demand right here, resistance, support, and support once again. Really like a lot of confluences right here, plus of course our usual fib, so from previous low in this case to previous high, like the height right here, the rejection in here. So we had the pullback to the 61.8 fibs retracement level. So many confluences really on point right here. So currently we're running about having a rejection of this candle, so running about 56 pips. So 56 pips for the moment, and target above the previous high right here. So it's kind of a double top right here. It's a double top, not kind of. GJ, what happened on GJ? We had a TP1 hit. So you can see right here, like from this moment on, a downside movement characterized by lower highs and lower lows in here, and a triple top right here. So top, and top right here. So price moved with stronger volatility and momentum to the downside, and you can see that from here that it attained the third top. You can see another another smaller kind of a trend and downside trend. So impulsion, retracement, impulsion, retracement, impulsion. So after this height, we had like the impulsion, the correction right here. So we connected these two highs and then waited for the other impulsion, correction, impulsion, and then we had our entry right here, November 13 in the evening. So as usual, fibs from previous high to the previous low, we had a 50% rejection right here. So we entered on the first one, but you can see that price just kept like it stuck here for a while, for a couple of hours in here. So we entered at 139.85. So on the deck, once again, really precise. And you can see that our first TP was hit at 40 pips right here, so around this 139.45 level in here. So 40 pips, and then you can see break even if you guys had other position or something. So 40 pips, no, it's not nothing, so it's always welcome. Then on UJ, we're currently running on this trade too, and it's currently running into an interesting point. So just covering what in regards of the analysis. So we have we have been in like since H4 right here in uptrend. So from August 25th in the evening that we had a big rejection. So from here on, we're just in an uptrend, as you can see, and really key right here at the bottom, connecting this bottom, third touch, bigger impulsion, a break of the previous high, new higher high right here, and then maybe doing a correction right here, or as you can see right here, maybe not, and going all the way down. The market is always surprising us, so stay safe, guys. And so right here we had the third touch right here, the impulsion, the correction right here, but the correction broke actually this key level trend line that acted as a support since August 25th, as I mentioned. So breakout, and we entered on short because we thought that was going to make a breakout retest 38.2 maybe where we entered. Currently it might not be invalid. The price might be just doing a fourth touch. So the first high, second high, third touch right here, fourth touch around here, or maybe higher, and we might have to adjust this trend line further on, like if if the sell is still valid. And so in this case, the breaking point, we might see like a big push on the downside, or a continuation above. It can go all the way to the top in here and make a double top right here, and just like go all the way down. So many hypotheses in here, many cases that can happen. So currently running about we entered 60, yeah, 60. So around 23 pips in the negative for the current moment. So I think it's everything. So we had GBPJPY minus 90 pips, then GJ 40 pips secured. EURUSD currently running about 58 to 60 pips, so really nice. And USD/GPY currently running how much did I say? 22 pips. Yeah, 23 about. So this week, just updating the numbers, we had so minus 15 pips for the current moment, and it's our first bad. It was our first bad week since a long time, so it's part of the game, guys. So if you still want to copy our Forex signals, we're getting really like numerous in our group once again, about to hit the 400 members really soon by the end of the year, even 500 by the end of the year. So if you guys want to follow this quality trading, you can go and do so by subscribing at goldenoptiontrading.com. You can enter your email and stay updated for our latest announcements, services incoming, and giveaways even. And you can also follow us on Golden Option Trading on Instagram with 59.5k followers, about to hit the 60k milestone, and in here Golden Option, which is the francophone account, at 19.5k followers. So I hope you guys had an amazing week of trading still, that you'll hang up, you'll be patient still, and that you will have a wonderful and safe week of trading for the upcoming. So stay safe, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.